Now here we are, Solana. I'm going to try and keep this one as straightforward as possible. Unfortunately, I have not caught a bid on Solana just yet. I'm still looking to catch a bid on any of the weekly levels. Right now, we're hovering far above all weekly levels. I did have a bid placed on 1213, which was this region right here. Let me mark it out for you. Right, this region right here, which we did not catch because price just, ran away from us. Volatility picked up. So here's what I'm seeing. If I take you guys on over to the Mango dashboard, let's go ahead and start off with our higher time frames. This is the 2-day time frame. SOL USDT on the 2-day time frame is still neutral. Okay, so that beautiful bullish long trend that we're seeing on the lower time frames has yet to cascade on over to the 2-day time frame. How about the daily? What's happening on the daily? Daily Solana, yes, we have an established uptrend. I'm sure we can all agree with that. Solana is looking absolutely beautiful. We got a bullish signal on this 6 days ago. If you caught a trade based on when the dashboard gave you a signal, you're already up by a good 20%. But please take note of the volatility, guys. Flashing red. Red is danger. You need to err to the side of caution at this point, if you're especially someone looking to jump into a Solana long position. What this is essentially telling you is that, hey, you know what, perhaps you might see a better bid on the horizon. Okay, we can start expecting a pullback. How about the 12-hour time frame? What is the story on the 12-hour? SOL USDT on the 12-hour time frame is also bullish. Great. You got the signal around 8 days ago. If you caught a trade based on that, man, you're up by a good 42% on that trade. That's a beautiful swing. Now, how about the volatility? Of course, when I see 42% already done and dusted, I'm not jumping very, very carelessly into a trade here. Okay, especially with volatility flashing 90. Once again, flashing red. Red equals caution. All right, wait, be patient. That's what red is telling you. Red is essentially telling you on vol to be patient for the next bid opportunity. Now, how about the 4-hour time frame? Is the 4-hour telling us that, hey, can we expect a pullback? Do we have another potential bid opportunity on the horizon? SOL USDT on the 4-hour also long. Okay, you come, man. If you caught a trade on the long signal on the 4-hour time frame, you're up by a good 61%. It came to you 11 days ago. This long signal has not switched just yet. Okay, so it's still very much in bullish territory. Volatility, ooh, flashing 59. You know what? Perhaps the bulls might still have a bit more oomph left on it. And also notice the flags. The flags, we have potential bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. So let's go ahead and flesh that one out, shall we? Because what the dashboard is telling us that, yeah, while the higher time frames is telling you that you can expect a pullback, the lower time frames is telling you that, hey, you know what? The bulls still have a bit more juice left in them. So, you know, be careful. So now let's go ahead and actually flesh out that potential bullish divergence. I want you to notice the use of language there. It says potential. Okay, now as far as potential bullish divergence is concerned, do we have it? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Okay, so what we're seeing here is the potential bullish divergence. So this is it right here. Lower lows on RSI, but higher lows on price action. And that's it right there. Okay, but this has not triggered just yet. So at what point does this bullish divergence really trigger for SOL? This bullish divergence, guys, will trigger as soon as price action takes out this wick high right here. Okay, this wick high comes in at around, the highest point is at $16.16. Notice how we've had, ever since this candle, we've had consecutive lower highs on the 4-hour. Okay, so as soon as we start taking out this wick high right here, if this candle takes out this wick high, that's when the bullish divergence actually triggers to the upside. So if we take out this wick high right here, which comes in at around 16.16, this bullish divergence then triggers. Until then, this is only potential, okay? At what point does the bullish divergence get negated altogether? This will get negated as soon as Bitcoin actually takes out this wick low right here. Okay, that's how I'm looking at it. Now, let's also go ahead and see if we have any resistance overhead, and we have the 10 SMA as resistance overhead, okay, and we're currently getting rejected off of that region. So this could actually swing the other way too if we start taking out this wick low right here. Okay, so far it is looking a bit droopy, I'll say that. We do have like either an M-like formation here. Okay, this is it. Let me show it to you. This is the M. And if this triggers to the downside, okay, where will that take Solana down to? That will take us down all the way to $14.27. At that point, we'll be living back down below that weekly level that I drawn out for you at $14.67. So yes, you could get a better bid on this. So that's what I personally will be waiting for as far as further upside is concerned. Just look for Solana to start closing 2 4-hour candles over $16.67, because at that point, I'm seeing where we've sort of penetrated a new order block when we go from 1667 all the way up to 1836. While that range looks very minuscule on my chart, mind you, that's a good 9.76% to the upside. Okay, so that is going to be the next sort of, these are the two possible trades. This is going to be the one to the long side, wherein you just capitalize on the order block. The short side is going to be price actually triggering the M-like formation to the downside. Okay, I personally would be waiting on the break of the 21 Tenkin before I look to take a short on Solana. Okay, if I am looking to take a short on Solana, which I am not, so I want to be very, very candid about that. I'm looking for a long opportunity, and I'm only looking to gun for the weekly levels. But yeah, this technically wraps up our analysis on SOL. Keep your eyes on how price reacts off that previous wick high, because if we manage to take that out, that triggers the next bullish divergence to the upside. Okay, the next potential trade block is a good 9% right above us. So now this is all I have for you for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. If there is anything you think I missed, make sure to mention that in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next update with this. Trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.